Good morning students, welcome back to biology classroom once again. In the last video, already I have finished the chapter. Today I will discuss the exercise. So look at the book. First, objective type questions. Choose the correct option. There are 4 options but I will say only answer. A plant which reproduces by spore, that is braid mold. Bryophyllum can reproduce by its leaves. Next, asexual reproduction takes place through budding in yeast. Mature ovary forms the fruit. The anther contains pollen grains. The reproductive part of plant is flower. The process of fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. And the flower, the parts that produce male and female gametes are respectively, they are anther and ovary. One of the following is not produced by the cutting method. This is one. Maize plant. Next, fill in the blanks. Sweet potato and tapioca have fleshy and dash roots, tuberous roots. Both runners and stolon have modified stem that grow horizontally. An example of cutting stem during vegetative propagation is seen in chrysanthemum plant. Corm is an underground stem that grows in clusters and usually round in shape. The dash stored within the tubers is used by the buds during the process of growing into a new plant. Food. The fusion of male cells and female cells is known as fertilization. Next, new variety produced by process hybridization is called tissue culture. And the last one, horizontal stems such as the ginger and onion reproduce from rhizome. Another again, true false. Bulbs are fleshy, short, vertically grown, short stem. True. The method of cutting the root into small pieces and planting cut in soil is known as cutting. True. Rhizome is an underground stem that bears roots and shoots at the node. True. Tubers are underground stem that develop eyes which contains buds that are capable of growing into new plants. As well, answer is true. Next, the leaves found in bryophyllum plants are large and fleshy. True. Grafting is usually done on a plant that is growing well and sturdy and free from disease. It's also true. Again, tissue culture produces large quantities of healthy saplings that can be replanted in the soil where they grow as independent plants. It is true. Next, the thalamus is attached to any holes of flowers. False. Fusion of male and female gamete is called hybridization. False. Spirogyra reproduce by budding. Again, it's false. Next, short type question answer and again the long question answer. But it is not possible to discuss the question answer in the video. So students, please you will try to write the question answer and I hope you are writing the question answers. And have you any problem, please comment on my channel. I will discuss the problem later. But please you will try the question answer. But there are some true false I will discuss. Cutting is the method where a small part of stem or bud is fixed or attached to the stem of another plants of the same species or related species. Answer will be false. Ovules are also known as male gametes. Answer is false. Sexual reproduction in plants takes place in stem. False. The root is also known as pedicel, is the connection between flower and plant. False. The calyx is the second hole of the flower and is made up of brightly colored petals. Again, it is false. Pollination is usually carried out by the improve the variety of particular plant. The answer is true. The fusion of male cells and female cells is known as asexual reproduction. Again, it is false. And the last one, when ovules in ovary fuse together, fertilization takes place. Answer is false. So in next class, I will discuss next chapter. So student, I hope all of you have understood what I have discussed in the total chapter. Have you any problem? Please comment on my channel. I will discuss later. So for today, up to this portion.